Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's project. First we're gonna take some black poster board and I'm gonna cut 3 pieces of it of 1 inch horizontally. And this is how it's looking. Now I'm cutting the other 2 and I have my 3 pieces. And now I'm gonna flip my poster board and I'm gonna cut vertically the other pieces, and you're gonna cut as many as you want. I have all of those and my 3 longer ones, and now I'm just placing them like that, leaving like 2 inches between them like that, and I'm gonna start weaving my pieces just like that. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue to glue my pieces to that bottom piece. I'm sorry I'm not in the frame, but I'm gonna show you a little bit better now that I realize that I'm not in the frame. And now I'm gonna add the glue, and you can see I'm adding glue to that first piece, and now I'm gonna take another one of those pieces and I'm gonna weave it through. Let me just add a little bit more hot glue, and I'm gonna weave it through those longer pieces horizontal, and yeah, I'm weaving it horizontally. And I'm gonna continue until I finish, and now I have them, and now I'm just bending the corners or those longer pieces all around, so I have like little tab to attach my longer pieces. And as you can see, I just left the corner one and I took the second one to add that longer piece, and I'm gonna continue gluing it all around like that. And then when I don't have any more of that piece, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip it a little bit over, add a little bit of hot glue like that, attach the other piece and continue adding that to my sides. Just keep on gluing. And just keep on gluing until you cover all of your sides. When you finish, you just cut the excess, add a little bit more hot glue, and glue it together. Like that. Now I'm gonna cut 2 thinner pieces to add to the center of that's a tobacco basket. I just forgot my tobacco basket. And now I'm just gluing the corners, and I'm gonna add a drop of hot glue in the middle after I just glued that one like that. And I'm gonna glue another one in the top. That piece is like 1/2 inch, something like that. I didn't measure it, but you can measure if you want. And now I'm gonna glue it in the middle and in the corner, and that's it. We have a tobacco basket. This is part of the DIY Mommy's Fall DIY and Decor Challenge. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to her channel and also to the playlist for this challenge. Go and check everyone out because you will find lots of beautiful inspiration. If you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and a couple of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. Here is my social media. Go and find me there also. Now moving on to the fun part, we're gonna start dry brushing our tobacco basket, and for that I'm using Mineral from Waverly Chalk Paint. And what I'm doing, you've seen me lots of times doing this, I'm just taking a little bit of paint and just brushing it in my napkin to remove the excess, and then I come back and I start painting all around. Not doing an awesome job on it. But that's the beauty of dry brushing. You don't have to do a beautiful job. It will look beautiful even if you don't do a beautiful job. Yeah, I use the word beautiful a lot. And we're gonna continue dry brushing all of our beautiful, yeah, I just did it again. I should add a beautiful count. And we're gonna continue adding our dry brushing effect to our tobacco basket. And continue painting, and I'm gonna let you enjoy the painting process. Now I'm painting the sides and doing the exact same effect. After we finish with our dry brushing, we're gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back with some floral I found at Walmart. I'm showing you the ones that I'm using, some wire and a banner, and I'm adding a leaf, black leaf, to that banner because it had a traditional color leaf, and I just painted it and I'm just gluing it back. Now let me show you the cute banner. Okay, now let's make a swag for our tobacco basket. I'm just placing 2 of those leaves, and then I'm taking 2 of those picks and placing it on top of each other, and now I'm just gonna wrap it using my wire all around like that. Just keep on wrapping until you have wrapped everything that you have there, like that. Now I'm just gonna add a piece of cardboard, the same we used to make our tobacco basket, in the middle, so I have somewhere to place my sunflowers. And now I'm gonna glue that piece to my tobacco basket. Just like that. I'm just folding it so I can add a little bit of hot glue. And now I'm having issues with my hot glue gun. And now I'm adding some glue to the top and gluing it, and then I'm gonna take the sunflowers and the leaves, and I'm gonna glue the leaves to the sunflower just like that. And then I'm gonna take my sunflower and place it where I want it while I glue the other ones. Look at that, it's so cute. And now that I just finished, I'm gonna start gluing my sunflowers to my tobacco basket. Like that. So cute. And now we're gonna move on to the banner. And for that I tried to wrap it around my basket, but I couldn't. So what I ended up doing is adding a little bit of hot glue to the sides and gluing it to the outside part of the basket. And that will be it. We will have a beautiful tobacco basket wreath. Look at that, that banner is beautiful. And this is how it turned out. I'm so in love with how this tobacco basket turned out. It's so beautiful. And I love that swag that I made for it. Look at that. It's so cute, and I can change the fall banner to a Halloween banner. And this is how it's looking with its fall banner. Remember that in the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to Christina's channel and also for the playlist for this challenge. Go and check everyone out because you will love everything you'll see in that playlist. Look at that. So cute. I love those pics from Walmart. And remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and a couple of silly jokes, that's what I do here, so subscribe. And if you like this wreath, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care, bye-bye.